Hey guys, I'm the Cyborg Sheep, and welcome to the Weekend Post. I know I'm late with a few of these things, but welcome to 2019. I'm going to be starting up recording again. In this video, we are going to be unboxing this Tron Lego set. So, let's get started. So, this is Lego set number 21314, and this set has quite a few cool things going for it. I'll get a little bit into that later, but for now, let's get it open. Alright, so inside the box, you get the instruction manual and 2 bags of Lego pieces. So I guess I'll build it, well, I'll see, but I think what I might do, I may time-lapse, and maybe I'll do a combination of my previous building method and a time-lapse build. We'll see. Regardless, let's get started. Alright, so the build with the first kit of parts is complete. The first kit of parts builds you this sort of base with a futuristic design here with the sort of blue lines going through. And it builds you 3 minifigures, the minifigures of which I will get into their names later. However, let's move on to the build of the second bag. with the build of bag number 2 complete, it builds you these 2 motorcycle looking things right here. So let's get into why I think this set is so cool. So first of all, the Lego set was based on a movie which I think was exceptionally awesome, Tron Legacy. And I mean, this movie was so awesome. I'll leave a link in the description to a trailer. For the 3 minifigures, we have Cora, Sam, and Rinsler. These motorcycles are actually what are called light cycles in the movie. The vehicles in the movie are probably one of the coolest parts. One of the things I really like about the light cycle models is the attention to detail. They even captured the fact that when the light ribbon is not energized, panels on the side open up and kind of act like air brakes. The one thing that I would change about this set is to use something more like a lightsaber rather than a regular sword. Another thing that is very cool is the fact that this is a Lego Ideas set. Now, Lego Ideas, it's an amazing thing that Lego has done. In a nutshell, this Lego set was not designed exclusively by Lego. It was actually designed by 2 guys from England that go by the name of Drew and Tom. Now, these 2 guys, not employed by Lego in any way. But Drew and Tom are the designers, and what Lego Ideas allows is you can upload designs on the Lego website. I'm not sure exactly how it works, but basically anyone can upload a design, and anyone can basically vote. As you can see right here, the reason this set exists is because they got 10,000 votes. Lego saw that, and they made this set a reality. It's amazing. It's a case of make cool stuff, put it on the interweb. These guys did it. Lots of people liked it, so Lego started selling a Lego set based on their idea. And the even cooler thing is that every time Lego sells one of these sets, these guys get a small portion of the money. Anyways, really cool thing that Lego is doing. My congratulations goes to these guys. And with that, I think I'm going to leave the video there. In other news, the day this was uploaded was my birthday, so very excited for that. I'm back recording. I'm very excited for what's to come, and I hope you are too. I'll see you in the next one.